Good morning, my dear boys. Today our topic name is angles from page number 108. First of all, before we start the concept, we need to learn some basic concepts. That what is the acute angle? Acute angle means it's a less than 90. You know that this is the 90 degrees. We already learned a lot of times what is 90 degrees. So this is less than 90. It's called acute angle. Obtuse angle. So this is the 90 degrees. So it's a more than 90. It's more than 90 but less than 180. Less than 180. Now right angle, you know that exactly 90. Exactly 90 degrees. Okay, like this way. This is the exactly 90 degrees. It's a right angle. Okay. Now straight angle. Straight angle means what? This total angle is how much? 180. Right or no? Straight line, straight angle. This is the 180 degrees. Right or no? Just like this total is semicircle. That means half circle is called what? Semicircle. Okay, that is called what? 180 degrees. Okay, straight angle. Now remember, this is called, if the left to right is called what? Clockwise, and the right to left is called what? Anti-clockwise. You know that clock is moving from left to right, anti-clockwise moving from right to left. Now look at the question, this one. Okay, 360 degree protractor. Why 360 degree protractor? This is called protractor. This is half of circle is called what? Semicircle. In this one, the maximum angle is what? 180 degrees. Check it. 170, then 180. Okay, 180 degrees. But no need. Now look at here. What letter is at clockwise 150? So this is the 0 degrees. Every time you have to start from the clockwise. So clockwise is what? Right side, right or no? Right side. I already explained you, it's the right side. But look at here is 350 and 10. So how you check it? You're checking the upper angles or down angles? Down angles. Why? Because after 0, is it was directly 350? No. So 10. So check the down angle. Where is 150? Where is down is 150? Here is the 150. So what letter here? L. So answer is L. Okay. Now what letter is at anti-clockwise 250? So anti-clockwise to 0. That means you have to move it left. So where after 0 it can be 350? No. So 10. So check it. Outer angles. Where is outer angles is 250? Here is the outer angle is 250. That is what? L. So answer is, sorry, this is I. Sorry, this is 250 is I. HI. So I is the answer. Now what is the angle from 0 to H clockwise? 0 to H clockwise. So 0 to H clockwise, right side. So where is the H? Here is the clock. That means clockwise inside angles. That is 100 degrees. Okay, what is the letter 0 to H? Anti-clockwise. That means anti-clockwise means outer angles, right? And outer angles, H is 260 degrees. Okay, so 260 plus 10, how much? It's 360. Total is what? Circle is 360. Total angle is 360. Now look at this question, little bit concentrate more. Start at 0. Follow this instruction. For each new instruction, start where you finish the previous turn. That means wherever you stop, you have to start from there only. Turn clockwise 35. So from 0, so 10, 20, 30, this is 40. Between 30 and 40, 50. That means I am here now. Okay, I am here. That is the first one. So C finish. Next one, turn clockwise 75. That means from here only 75. So you know that from here to here is how much? 5 degrees, right or no? 5 degrees finish. That means next 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 70 means what? It's a I. Because already it's a 5 degrees finish. 35 to 40, 5 degrees finish. Then check it. 40 to 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So that is I. So now I am here, second position, right or no? Now we said that turn anti-clockwise 230 degrees. Turn anti-clockwise 230. That means now I am here. From here you have to check it 230 degrees. So from anti-clockwise, move it left side. So from here to here is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20, 30. Sorry. Again, one more time, please. Here I am here. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230. So I am, here is the now R. Where I am? R. Next, turn clockwise 155. Turn clockwise 155. Again from here. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 155. Again, my fourth position also. This is the first and also fourth position. The second position is this one. The third position is this one. Okay. Now I am here. Next is what? Clockwise 115. Clockwise 115. So you know the first of all 5 degrees finish it. Okay. From here to this 5 degrees finish. Then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Why 110? Because we already finished 5 degrees. That means this is the fifth position. Now I am in position of L. Next, turn anti-clockwise 95. So from here to here is the what? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 95. Okay, here is the last one. So the sixth one. So what is the word you make? Circle. The word is circle. Clear? Now coming to the next one. This page no need, is omitted. Okay, is omitted. Okay, now check it the question number 3. What is question number 3? Check it this picture and here is the given angles. What is acute? What is obtuse? I already explained you. Acute means what? Less than 90, like 35, 80, 20 and 65. All are acute angles. Okay, 110, 170, 150 and 125. All are obtuse angle because more than 90. Now this one is easy to find out. I told you this total is a what? It's a 180, right or no? Is given one angle. Look at it. This is 180 or not? So we already done that. Straight angles is what? 180 degrees. So whatever is given the angle, just subtract from 180. So 180 minus 105, how much? It's 75. Because this together is 180. Number B also same. 180 minus 55, 125. 180 minus 80, 100. 180 minus 30, 150. Okay. You have to subtract from 180 because it's a straight angle. It's a straight angle. Clear? So I hope you understand today's class work. If you have any more questions, you can ask in the next class. Thank you.